Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can disable uh, sending messages that only admin can send messages to the group. So select your uh, group, then click on the name of the group. Now scroll down a little bit and you will see message permissions. So click on that. And here you can disable now allow message sharing. So if you click on that, you just now can send messages and other can't. So this is how you can uh, disable permissions to sending messages from other um, users. So I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.